What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, Super Chrome is officially gone. I got to check out the replacement, or at least pictures of the replacement compared to a Super Chrome panel, side by side. I put a picture up that it was edited so you guys couldn't see it because I was sworn not to show anybody. But don't worry, I asked the person who made me swear not to show it. I asked them literally every day when I can show it, and I get the same response every time. She just says, like, give me a couple days, give me a couple days, give me a couple days, and that's fine. So I'm told that I'm gonna have Super Chrome, or whatever the Super Chrome replacement is. I don't know if it's gonna stay the same name. I'm told that I'm gonna be having that in hand fairly quickly, so there'll be a video out comparing it and the original Super Chrome side by side on some parts so that we can actually see what the differences are. Giveaway is happening this Sunday. Doing a live video. Gonna do a Q&A and all that as well, but gonna be doing the giveaway so you guys can see the results live. This is for the 502 piece plug kit from High Temp Masking. Got 3 more giveaways that are gonna be coming up. I'm gonna start the next giveaway on Monday, the day after the giveaway that we do for Sunday, or for the plug kit, obviously. So another thing I'm trying to do, I was looking at how I can post more videos because I slacked for like another week with some other stuff going on. I'm gonna be doing videos at least 4 times a week plus a Q&A. I'm gonna try to go for every day. There's gonna be days that I miss. I totally am cool with that. But including this video, which will come up, and then there'll be another one posted the same day as this video. There'll be 10 days straight of videos. So I think in that 10 days, and these are all videos that are already recorded, by the way, this is already all done. So I think in that 10 days, I'll begin recording more video, obviously, and just be able to keep posting things up. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do that. Hit the like button, turn on notifications, leave a comment, all the good things that we're supposed to do to help promote these types of videos. The only other thing I want to cover is merchandise. I've been getting asked numerous times a day now about different merch. Shirts, I have 2 new styles of shirts coming. These shirts on each side of me are old ones. I think I only have, 4 of these and 7 of these? Yeah, 7. And they're in like not super desirable sizes. So I had 250 of each of these and they sold out pretty quickly. So I have 2 new shirt designs coming. If you guys are interested in that, there'll be some information coming as soon as they arrive. I have stickers, lanyards, wristlets. I'll throw some pictures somewhere in this area so you guys can see all this. And I'll keep you updated on the Chrome as soon as we know more about the Chrome. Some of the information I guess I can share. The cure cycle is back to being something normal. It's 400 degrees for 10 minutes again, as opposed to going, 450 for 12 or 425 for 17, all the different numbers that it's been over these last few years. The pictures that I've seen of it, it's definitely smoother, far less orange peel. I mean, noticeably less orange peel. It does look a little foggier maybe, but it doesn't do edge building or any of the weird stuff that Super Chrome tends to do, especially on like flat panels, for example. So like I said, I'll give you guys as much information as I can as I find out. My source is obviously semi-reluctant, but she's been good. She's been, she sent me the pictures, said I couldn't show it to anybody, so she's gonna make sure that I get some Super Chrome in hand, and once I do that, like I said, we'll throw it on some parts and let you guys have a look at it. This video is literally just a bunch of random coding projects that didn't fit with any of the other videos that are going to be coming out over these next few days. So I just looped all these together. All the KV information, air pressure information, cure times are in with each one of these. So it's a bunch of random colors, so enjoy.
I've tried being humble. It's just not working out.